How to change Spotify language. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Spotify's language. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Spotify on your web browser. Search for spotify.com and open it up. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done all of that, you can then head over to your profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on it and there you will see a settings option. Tap on settings, and after you've tapped on settings you will see language option. So on your language you can tap on the language and change it to whatever you want. So there are a lot of languages and you get a lot of options, so choose any one of your language and then you're basically good to go. Reload your Spotify if it does not work and then you should have changed your language. So let's try changing it to another language. So let's say that I'm changing it to French, and after tapping on French it should just change everything to French, and that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.